Hi friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to an Amazon unboxing video of diamond art tools that I'm really excited about. I ordered this the other day. It's a dog tail in the camera there, but I ordered these the other day and I just got the box. I haven't even opened it yet, so I want to do the unboxing with you all. Charlie, what are you doing? Charlie's trying to make an appearance apparently. So these to me are some things that are kind of essential to have, and one of them you can get direct from the Diamond Art Club, but it was a little bit cheaper on Amazon. I'm trying to buy as much as I can through Diamond Art Club, but I also want to explore other options available out there too when it comes to cost effectiveness. So yeah, but three of these things I think are pretty essential, especially if you purchase a lot of things through Diamond Art Club. That's all I'm going to say right now. Let's just go ahead and get into opening the box and seeing what we have. Before we get into the unboxing, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified on when we upload videos. Go ahead and make a comment down below, like the video if you like what we've got going on here, and stay tuned for more videos like this on the channel. All right, so here we have our box. Really excited to open this up, and I will say that, like I said, there's one thing that's really that's in here that you can get direct from Diamond Art Club and their website, but Amazon, a little bit cheaper, $12 cheaper, but that's okay. We need to save money when we can. I'm okay with spending $80 on a canvas, but accessories, we want to kind of get a little bit cheaper on that, but you get what you pay for sometimes. Now, so this top thing here, this top thing is really for trading card games. You can see what's under that. It's the storage organization from Diamond Art Club. So this is really for trading cards. Anyway, so this is really for trading cards, but when you look at the trading cards that come with the Diamond Art Club stuff, they will actually fit really, really well in here. So there's plenty of pages. And if you give me just a second, let me grab some information and we'll walk through this. Okay, so this first thing here, it's actually really nice packaging and everything when it comes to this. The premise of this is to be able to take our Diamond Art cards that we get from our kits and store them in here and have them in a nice, neat place. So especially when we're ready to use them with the codes on the back and everything. I can't show you Jojo, but Mojo, yeah, I haven't scratched his off yet. So we'll be able to use that code on the back once we scratch that off of there. And he's a silver card. I love that. But these will be able to fit in here. Now, these are a little bit bigger, but the thing is, though, is that I actually really like that. I don't care that it's a little bit bigger. So for me, that's kind of how I'm going to store mine. And this fits, and I'll put links in the description down below for all of these. This fits 160 cards. So that's a lot of cards that we can fit in here. And if I wanted to, I wonder if, I mean, we could technically fit 2 in here. Like if we really wanted to, we could do that, but why? I'm sure there's some others that are out there as well that might fit these a little bit better. But for me, I mean, it just, I don't know, it gives it space, gives you a little bit of room here. I like this. And my goal now is to fill this up. Like, I really want to fill this up. This is great. So this is exactly what I'm going to be doing with these guys. They're so shiny. So shiny. And then, of course, we have our storage organizer. This is what I was really excited about. Look how pretty. And you can tell it's Diamond Art Club, too, because of the way the package is and everything. So this, as we all know, is our kit up organizer. So it has 54 containers. Again, I'll put a link in the description below. This was about $12 cheaper on Amazon than what it was on the website. Now that was current as of this video. Whether or not that sale still stays, who knows? Amazon has sales all the time. But I am super excited about this. I'm totally going to be using this with my next kit that I'm going to be doing. This is amazing. This is so amazing. I am super excited to use this, you guys. Because I'm going to be honest. The kit that I'm using right now from Make Market, I don't like. I do not like it at all. I'm sorry, but I don't. So this should just pop off. Oh, okay, this has a protective film on it. We're going to be keeping that on there. Don't want that getting scratched. Look at that. And it just pops off. Yep. That, oh, that is nice. Oh, that is satisfying. Bunch of little ones. Oh, this is great. This is, yeah, this is great. I love this. This is going to make my life so much easier. It's going to make life so much easier when I go to do my next kit. I might do this as a live with the Bella Notte. I think we'll do that. I might have to figure that out in my schedule somehow, some way. Okay. All right. So for now, it's going to go back in the box. Now, the other thing that I got. This is the only one that I'm really kind of sketchy about. And the reason why I say that is because this has different pens in it and different multi-placers in it. So this, again, at the time that I purchased and at the time of the recording, was, I think, like $21.99. So you get a lot of different things in here. So you get 3 pens that are in this, a blue, a silver or white, and then a purple. So pretty nice, really sparkly. Oh, I was afraid of that. Okay. The multi-placers that are here, definitely not like Diamond Art Club, but you get really 1 through, I think it's 10. Yeah, it's a 1 through 10. And then you also have a straightener, a roller, this little thing, which I don't know what good that's going to do us, but, you know, it's fine. We've got a magnifying glass, a brush, a bunch of blue wax as well. And it looks like a how-to. So this is from the Praise Vidou shop on Amazon. And I just kind of want to take a look. And the reason why I'm a little skeptical of this is because of how wide these placers are. So if you look at that, that's pretty wide. And see if we can't get this to focus somehow, some way. But it's a bit wider than Diamond Art Club. And I believe it's about the same width as the Make Market ones. And the Make Market ones, the multi-placers, it's not that easy to use. So we're going to try this out. And then I'll do a full review of it to kind of give you an idea of should you buy or should buyer beware. But I mean, these are metal. These are all metal. They're actually really nice. They're heavy. It's got, there's the 10 placer. There's a straightener in here somewhere. Here's the straightener. Some of this stuff might actually come in handy. Some of this might actually come in handy, but overall, I'm kind of liking it. Yeah, I think this is going to work out pretty well. Let's see. If I look at, let's see, that's a 2, that's a single. I've really just been using like a single and a 4. The numbers are hard to read on this, honestly. So it looks like a 2 and a 6. Okay, and then here's my 4 and something else. I can't read that. It's really hard to read. 9 maybe? 8? Something like that. But anyway. So yeah, that's what I got. Short and sweet. I like I said, this is the only one that I'm really kind of leery about. So we'll kind of see, like it was $21.99 for all of this, and I think it's like $20.99 just for a pen through Diamond Art Club. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right, and there you have it. So that's everything that we got. I know it was very short and sweet and simple to the point. Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried any of these products? Do you have something that you use differently when it comes to kitting up, when you store your Diamond Art Club cards, and when it comes to your multiplacers? Where have you gotten your multiplacers or your pens from? I don't like the ones that come with Diamond Art Club stuff, but I wanted to try something new and something different as well, just to kind of see. We'll see how it works, because like I said, the Diamond Art Club ones are a lot thinner, and to me, I don't know, at least when I was using the Make Market ones, the Diamond Art Club ones were working better, but then again, I can see the benefit of having something wider, but I also haven't used square drills yet, so I don't know. Let me know in the comments below on what you think, and then I'll do a full review of the storage organizer and the pens that we got as well, to let you know how they've worked out. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Now let's light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's get crafting.